222. You are going to have so much success in every area of your life before this month is over. You will see things getting better than you could ever imagine. What is best for you is coming. Type yes if you are agree. The universe is saying to you, never doubt how quickly things can change. The power of the universe is infinite. Your imagination is the most powerful creative force known to man. Use it to create the life of your dreams. Focus on only the things that are in alignment with your dreams and goals. Distance yourself from anyone that does not believe in your abilities. Your energy is too precious to squander it. Protect your dreams at all costs. You are destined for greatness. Type vibe to claim it, and also subscribe God Manifesto 1111.